Shalom. My name is Israel. Today is day 10 of my documentary 60 Big Chester 60-day fasting. So that's what I've been doing for 10 days now. Fasting on nothing but juices. Blueberries, strawberries, kale, carrots, celery, ginger, the banana, stuff like that. So, and watermelon, yes, and green apples. So, yes, it's been rough, trust me. That's for sure. Brother love to eat. Love to eat. And, it was, giving up pork was a little bit of a trip. But knowing that if you keep eating that, you're going to be able to create it to heaven and earth forever. So, what the hell is we got doing pork? So, yeah, it's good. So yes, it's my 10th day. Feeling okay. Not thinking about no meat really. Just wanna hurry up and get it over with. I know it didn't take overnight for me to get this big. So it will take overnight for me to lose it. But I think about now how I'm gonna feel when I'm through taking this. I feel great when I accomplish what I need to accomplish. All right, until we meet again. Big Chester 60-day juicing fast.